Hello guys, and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your TikTok's photo swipe if it is not working. This is an easy tutorial, so just please keep on watching. First, open TikTok and click on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. After clicking on it, go to the upload button and select all the photos you want to add. Click on Next. If you don't have the swipe option, then exit the page. Once you have exited that page, open your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Free Up Space. Click on it, and in the options, select both Clear Cache and Downloads. Then, close the TikTok app and go straight into the App Store. Here, search for TikTok. If you see an open button at the side of the TikTok icon, it means your TikTok app is up to date. If it says Update, click on it and wait for it to finish updating. Once updated, go to Settings and then General. Click on iPhone storage and find TikTok among the list of applications. Click on TikTok and select Offload App. Reinstall it again after it is done. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your TikTok photo swipe. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!